Weather.
It is clear and warm out there tonight from Peregrine to Mountain Shadows all the way to Palmer Park. That's because of a downslope flow. Still 57 degrees. Now, that's warmer than an average daytime high this time of the year. Clear skies across the Steel City, 54 degrees. There's your downslope component out of the west right now, keeping the air really warm. Big changes on the way. A winter storm watch active tomorrow afternoon through Thursday afternoon. Northern El Paso County into Teller County. 7 to 12 inches of much needed snow. And the great news this time of the year, going to get a nice wet heavy snow just loaded with water. Exactly what we need to mitigate that ever-present fire danger. Here's the setup. It's not quite an Albuquerque low. Probably going to end up just a little north of Albuquerque. Still in a prime position to give us a healthy upslope flow around here and really good snow dynamics for most parts of the I-25 corridor back west across the higher elevations. Here's the way it shakes out hour by hour. I think we're going to be dry most of the daylight hours tomorrow, but then late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, watch this rain start to become a little more animated across El Paso County. Snow up across the higher elevations. Good rains for Pueblo tomorrow night. That stuff will eventually change to snow. Colder air mixing in, so by early Thursday morning, snow up and down the I-25 corridor. That snow continues Thursday morning. I think it'll be a slushy, slick commute across the Pikes Peak region Thursday morning, but a fairly fast-moving system by Thursday afternoon. Drier air already starting to punch in. Could even see a few sunshine breaks by late Thursday afternoon. Here's how much snow you get. Northern El Paso County. This is going to be the one we've been waiting for. 5 to 9 possible across northern Colorado Springs, 5 to 8 in Manitou Springs. The big stuff, though, right along the Palmer Divide up into Teller County, up to a foot of wet, heavy snow certainly possible. A little less the further south you go, but still some very beneficial moisture because it'll start as rain and then change to snow. Pueblo, I've got you down for a trace to maybe 2 inches by early Thursday morning, 2 to 5 in Canyon City. Very good snows for the west, the Wet Mountain Valley, all the way down into the Sangre de Cristos. Here's a total storm accumulation as far as precip goes, and these models really aggressive with this stuff. How about 6/10 to maybe 3/4 of an inch of much needed water around here by Thursday afternoon. What a day today in Pueblo. You started cold at 22, but a great recovery at 76. It's a product of some very dry air when you see the big difference between the low and the high. And in the Springs, no record today, but 71. That was the warmest day we have had so far this year. Overnight tonight, low temperatures, really comfortable for this time of year. Just about everyone's staying above freezing. And around here tomorrow, it's a transitional day. Afternoon highs cooler, yes, but still comfortable for this time of the year. This is your super 7-day forecast in Colorado Springs with this system. A breeze out of the east from 10 to 15, which is great news because if you've lived here long, you know this is usually blizzard season in eastern Colorado. That won't be the case this time. The wind won't be strong enough for that. Highest accumulations above 6,500 feet, and just plan on a slushy, slick commute around here by Thursday morning. Only 35 for that high. That's March Madness, just no brackets to fill out. Then we're going to be warm and drier over the weekend, and a new storm system already on the drawing board for Monday. That one will have more wind with rain and snow showers as well. Pueblo, a beautiful, beneficial soaking rain late tomorrow night. Get some fertilizer down tomorrow. That storm is going to be a grass greener. You'll be cutting that stuff by the end of the month. A few hours of wet, heavy snow early Thursday morning, drying and warming over the weekend, and storm number 2 rolling in on Monday. Canyon City, a beneficial drink of water with that bone dry vegetation. You need it. Still going to salvage a decent weekend. That's win-win in my book, and more moisture on Monday with still another round of showers on the way. Woodland Park Thursday, of course, St. Patty's Day. You'll be wearing the green and shoveling the white. 7 to 12 inches of snow up there. Going to be a nice wet, heavy snow with high water content. Roads will be slushy and slick. Then more moisture by Monday. Diane?
Mike, thank you. Looking at